This 2015 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 34E is a Class A RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach and features Sleep 7, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2015 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 34E is built on a Ford F53 SuperDuty chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.